With these images, you have to wonder if we could ever build homes or businesses that are completely disaster-proof.
It would really be a dream come true, but a Valley business says it is possible with the perfect building blocks. Carmen Blackwell has more.
With the right material, the perfect block in Peoria says your home or business could withstand any disaster. Tornadoes and fires, termites, and even burglars. What's really selling these building blocks off the lot? They can stand up to Category 5 hurricane rains and winds of up to 250 miles per hour.
The hurricane winds just isn't the only thing that creates the damage. It's the water, rot, mildew, mold. They have to literally tear off all the drywall. You don't have to use drywall on our product.
That's because of what these building blocks are made of. The engineering and installation company uses recycled items we use every day, like styrofoam coolers, that would normally go to landfill. Instead, the company turns them into an insulated concrete.
You do not need any skills. It's just stack it, level it, and pour the ground inside it. That's what gives it the structure.
The eco-friendly building blocks could reduce energy cost while serving as a barrier from disaster, one block at a time. In Peoria, Carmen Blackwell, Fox 10 News.
If you would like more information on those eco-friendly building blocks, we've got a link on our website, fox10phoenix.com.